Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your image in Photopea and immediately selecting the object you want to remove. Use the lasso for freehand, polygonal lasso for straight edges, or quick selection for fast coverage. This gives you control. Once you have a rough selection, refine it with select and mask or select, modify to smooth or feather by a few pixels so the fill will blend. Make sure to invert the selection if you plan to remove the background instead of the subject. Once your selection is refined, duplicate the layer so you don't lose original data, then apply Edit Fill with Content Aware to let Photopea synthesize nearby pixels. This is quick for simple backgrounds. If the result has artifacts, switch to Clone Stamp or Healing Brush to sample nearby texture and paint over imperfections, or use the patch tool to drag a clean area into place. Make sure to use a soft brush and sample frequently so your corrections match lighting and grain. Finish by blending edges. Use a low-opacity healing brush and a small Gaussian blur on a copy of the edited area to remove hard seams, and then adjust levels or color balance to match surrounding tones. Once done, zoom out and inspect at different magnifications. Make tiny clone or healing passes where patterns repeat. If you see repeating artifacts or odd patches, undo to the duplicate layer, refine the selection tighter, and redo Content Aware or manual cloning in smaller increments to avoid introducing new errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.